Hello and welcome back. Okay. Okay. Now, sorry for the disruption. Now we have this. I think this is not the one. Yeah, we have this. We have the types, and I also want to create another one, and they call it constants. Constants. This folder will have constant. Yeah. Hello, and now we can in the constant we can create a new file, and this file we can just call it index dot ts x. Okay, like so. Now here I have some code somewhere, so let me see that code. I just have it I think this one. Oh, all right. Let's see. I want to come right here, and I can come to this. I can come to readme, and here we have assets, and here we have some other uh, types. But first of all, we have to open this constant because it is the one that we want. And you can see